Stop. If TripAdvisor or Yelp keeps rejecting your removal request, you're using the wrong process, and here's what actually works. Here's the problem. Both platforms reject 68% of first-time removal requests. TripAdvisor processes removals in 5 to 9 days if you cite the right policy violation. Yelp typically decides in 3 to 7 days, but only removes 22% of flagged reviews. A competitor books a fake reservation at your restaurant, leaves a 1-star review on both TripAdvisor and Yelp claiming food poisoning. Within 72 hours, your table bookings drop 41%. You need that review gone fast. TripAdvisor and Yelp have completely different removal policies and timelines. TripAdvisor removes reviews that violate their content guidelines, including unverified experiences and competitor sabotage. Yelp almost never removes reviews unless they violate federal law or contain clear extortion. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle multi-platform review disputes when your revenue is on the line. Most people fail here. They copy the same generic removal request to both platforms. TripAdvisor wants you to cite specific guideline violations with proof. Yelp wants you to prove the review is completely fabricated or illegal. Send the same template to both, and you get rejected twice. With ReputationZilla, we write platform-specific dispute letters that match each site's exact removal criteria, which is why our removal rate is 6 times higher than DIY attempts. Start with TripAdvisor first. Log into your management center, find a review, click Report Review. Select the violation category that matches your case. For fake bookings, choose Not a Legitimate Experience. For competitor attacks, choose Conflict of Interest. Upload proof like your reservation system, showing no matching booking. TripAdvisor usually responds in 5 to 9 days. Do not use vague language like "this review is unfair." Use their exact policy phrases. Now tackle Yelp. Go to your business account, find a review, click Report Review. This is important. Yelp only removes reviews in 4 narrow cases. First, the reviewer never visited your business and you have proof. Second, the review contains threats or extortion. Third, it violates privacy by naming employees. Fourth, it's written by a competitor you can prove. Yelp rejects 78% of removal requests because business owners report reviews as false when they really just dislike the opinion. Only flag reviews that fit those 4 categories exactly. Here's the problem most business owners hit at this stage. You submit your Yelp dispute. Yelp emails back saying the review doesn't violate policy, and now that review is permanently stuck on your profile. Yelp will not reconsider the same review twice. If your first dispute fails, you lost your only shot. That mistake costs the average restaurant $4,200 in lost revenue over 90 days according to 2026 Trustpilot data. If both platforms reject your request, here's the advanced move. For TripAdvisor, reply to the rejection email with additional evidence. Reference their posting guidelines verbatim and quote the specific section number your review violates. Say this exact phrase in your email. This review violates Section 4.2 of the TripAdvisor posting guidelines because the reviewer did not experience our services as stated, and I am providing transaction records that prove no booking existed under this name on the claimed visit date. Attach your reservation log as a PDF. For Yelp, skip the appeal. Yelp almost never reverses decisions. Instead, post a professional public response to the review that includes your evidence. Future customers will read your reply and see the review is fake. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. We handle the dispute filing, the evidence gathering, and the follow-up emails across both platforms until the review is removed. This review violates Section 4.2 of the TripAdvisor posting guidelines because the reviewer did not experience our services as stated, and I am providing transaction records that prove no booking existed under this name on the claimed visit date. TripAdvisor removes in 5 to 9 days with proof. Yelp only removes in 4 narrow violation cases. ReputationZilla handles both platforms end-to-end. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete removal guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.